Hello, this is claricemertz, the Brazilian one, and today we will start to prepare your house for Easter. It's not only of sacrifice the Lent is made, we need to do beautiful things too. And today I will show you how to do bird's nest. Look how cute they are. And I have a little acorn here. And this one, I have this one just with the little eggs and the branch. And I have a bigger one here, dry roses and a bigger egg. So what you will do today is this part of the nest. So let's show you how to do it. It's really easy. But first, let's see what we will need. We will need white glue, a brush, eggs in any size you want. It can be chocolate eggs, any kind of eggs. Bowls to make the mold, any size you want. You know, you see. You put the things you want inside and then you have a clue how big you want it. So I have one that is bigger, smaller, as you saw. Any kind of decor you want to use. I bought mine in Dollar Tree and they are very easy to work with. Actually, everything here is most Dollar Tree thing. And some moss to put inside, but you can use shredded paper, anything goes, you know. And little branches from the garden. And I think that's it. So how to do it? The first thing, and plastic, film plastic. So the first thing you need to do, you find the bowl, the size you want your nest to be, and you cover it with film plastic. Like so. You cover the bowl to make easier to, when it is dry, to the nest come out. And then you put some glue and you get your strings. And you just put over on the top of the glue. And with a little bit more glue to make it stick to the plastic, you start to just, go around and putting some glue on the string. Just like this, very easy. Here at the end, you just continue to do the same thing. And if you don't want to go until the end to be all closed, it's okay. You can stop, leaving a little hole there. But I try to go until I can here. Then you cut your string. Go back here again if it, so here we have, and if this little end here come out, you just cut when it is dry. like this one here. But I try to let it on place here. And it's a lot of glue, like, yeah, can you see it? That's a lot of glue. Now I will put it to dry. It will take at least 24 hours because it's really wet. So when it is dry and to take it out, mine is loose already because I already took it out. But when it is dry, it will be glue on the plastic. So the easiest way is to take the plastic first from the bowl and then work to take the plastic out of the nest, like with careful, and take it out. This is the easiest way I find to take out the nest from the bowl, okay? So let's see how I decorate now. Well, I have one here that is already dry, and it is not so perfect the way we did together. So just to show you, if you cannot do so perfect the way I did, it's okay. We'll work the same way. And this string was too hard to go around it, so it was very difficult to do perfect. So the other one that I used was better. So now let me show you how you decorate the little nest. So I got here a little moss, and you put inside of your nest. And then you can do whatever you want. You know, you can put flowers, you can put birds, you can put, you know, the sky is the limit. Maybe you do 1 egg and 2 flowers, or maybe 3 eggs. Let's do 1 each color here, to the colors pop. And look how cute it is. So, you know, the sky is the limit. You can use cheddar paper. You can use anything, you know, like pink, and to match your decor. And I think they are so cute, and you have a lot of fun decorating my house. Next Thursday, I will show you how to paint the little bird's house. And so, see you there. Subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And bye.